In this video, you'll learn how to delete an Ionos website from your account step by step so you know exactly what to expect and don't accidentally remove something you still need. Before we begin, it's important to understand what deleting a website actually means in this context. When you remove a website from your Ionos account, you're getting rid of the website instance that's currently installed. That can include its design, content, and sometimes its connected features, depending on how your site was set up. Once it's gone, it can be very difficult or even impossible to recover. So make sure you've backed up any text, images, or settings that you might want later. Now let's get started. First, sign into your Ionos account using your usual login details. You'll be taken to the main dashboard where you can see an overview of your products and services. From here, we want to move into the section that specifically handles your websites. Look toward the top of the screen for the main navigation bar. In that bar, find the option labeled Menu. Click on Menu, and a list of available areas in your account will open up. From this list, choose Websites and Stores. This is the central place where Ionos groups all of your website and online store projects. After you click Websites and Stores, you should see a list of the websites associated with your account. Take a moment here to double check that you're looking at the correct website, especially if you manage more than one. You want to be absolutely sure you're about to delete the right one. Once you've identified the website you want to remove, look for an option that allows you to manage or configure that particular site. This might appear as a button or a link next to the website name. In that menu, you'll find the option to uninstall or delete the website. Here, what you're looking for specifically is the option labeled Uninstall Website. Go ahead and click Uninstall Website. When you do this, Ionos will usually ask you to confirm that you really want to proceed. This confirmation step is there to prevent accidental deletions, so read the message carefully. If the confirmation explains what will be removed, take a moment to review it. Make sure you understand that the website and its content will no longer be available once the process is complete. If you're sure you want to continue, confirm the uninstallation. The system will then start removing the website from your account. This may take a short moment. When it's done, the website should no longer appear in your Websites and Stores overview, and it will no longer be accessible online. As a final check, you can refresh the Websites and Stores page to ensure the site has been fully removed. If it still shows up, give it another moment and try again, as some changes can take a bit of time to update in the interface. And that's all there is to it. By following these steps, you can safely delete a website from your Ionos account when you no longer need it, keeping your dashboard organized and avoiding confusion with old or unused projects.